What is good, everybody? 2J again from Ceasar Graphics. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and remember to ring the bell so you will be notified when I post my tutorials. Today, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to pick the right frame for your Instagram design project. And without any further ado, let's jump into today's tutorial. Before going into the different type of frames, I need to let you know that if you are a designer, you are a problem solver. We do this by helping our clients solve their design goals. We can't achieve this when the page is boring. Our goal is to create unexpected solution that will catch the attention of the target audience. Your design project looks interesting when the contents are easily seen. Part of how you can achieve this is when you use the right frame for your projects. The goal of this video is to explain the different type of Instagram frames and how you can use them to your advantage.
These are the commonly used frames by designers. We have landscape with the frame size 1080 by 5/6 and the aspect ratio of 1.91 by 1. And we have the portrait, which is 1080 by 1350 with the aspect ratio 4 by 5. And we have the square, which is 1080 by 1080 and the aspect ratio is 1 by 1.
I'm going to share with you how to use these frames, and I'll start with the landscape frame.
I don't use this frame when I have many elements to use on my project. I only use it when I notice the image I'm using is landscape, most especially when I want people to see the beauty and the content on the image. Making your image big next to small type size may affect the visibility of the text or direct the opposite. Next is the portrait frame. I like this frame because it can take more elements more than the landscape and square frame. I use this frame mostly for infographics, designs with patterns, design that contain table, and when I want to use elements to draw viewers' attention to my piece. Next is the square frame. I use this similarly to how I use the landscape frame. I mostly use this frame when I have less elements. I use this frame mostly for projects like church event artwork, Instagram carousel, corporate artwork.
The goal here is not to make you think one frame is better than the other, but to show you how to pick the right frame for your project. Before using any of the frames, know the project, digest it, know the target audience, and lastly, have fun. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you have not subscribed, remember to hit the subscribe button and remember to ring that bell so you will be notified when I post my tutorials. I'll see you guys again in the next one. Peace.